Hi, in this video I'll be guiding you through the steps required to set up a root level custom domain on your Milkshake site. To start, ensure you already own a domain from a registrar. In this case we're using Namecheap, but any option should work. Next, navigate to the My Site menu. From here, select Custom Domain. Then, type in your domain name. We are using milkshake.inc in this example. You will note the message about setting up a root domain. As long as you follow this guide, this will not be an issue. Now, you will be prompted to follow this guide to set up your root domain. The first step is to create a free Cloudflare account. Cloudflare is required as they are one of few providers who support CNAME flattening, a concept that is required to set up custom domains on some providers. Sign up for a free account, then, when prompted, enter your domain. You could even register a new domain straight through Cloudflare. Now, click Continue. This will take you through their setup process to use them as your DNS provider. Follow the recommended instructions and select their free plan. Once you get to the Review Your DNS Records step, take a look and ensure you do not have any A, 4A or CNAME records in the type column if the name column matches your root domain, as we will need to set up new root records. If any exist, you can delete them. Now we will add the records required for Milkshake to function. You can read these values from our Help Center following the link in the app. It is featured under the Connect a Root Domain section. Then click the Add Record button in Cloudflare. Select CNAME, then type in the @ symbol for name and cname.milkshake-dns.com for the value. You can leave the default settings for the rest of the options. Click Save. Now we can click the Continue to Activation button. At this point, you'll be guided to navigate back to your domain registrar. Find the name server settings for your domain and update them to Cloudflare's name servers. Copy the name server domains. Find the name server settings in your domain registrar and paste them in. There should be 2 you need to set. Once you have saved those changes, hit Continue. You will now have to wait. This process can take 24 hours to go through. In the Milkshake app, you can now click the Connect Domain button. And now you can sit back and wait. Feel free to check back every hour or so. Once everything has been connected, Cloudflare should now show this message when you refresh the page. Now in the Milkshake app, tap the Connect Domain button again, and it should show the domain is connected. We can now visit the site and see it all working. Finally, this step is optional, but you may wish to set up a www redirect, so both your root domain and the www subdomain work. First, navigate to the Rules section in Cloudflare. Select Redirect from www to root, and accept the default settings and hit Deploy. Then go to the DNS settings and create a new A record with www as the name and 192.0.2.1 as the value. Ensure proxy is enabled and hit save. That should be it. You have now set up your custom root level domain with a redirect.